My boss. This is my small boss. তোমার boss কইতাছি না তোমারে. Today I'll show you this village area. It's before evening, so nice view. That's why I'll show you. This big field. You see the big field there. This side also big field. There's so many tree in the walking the road. So very interesting. The bird is fly. You know that fly. This sun just end up there. So nice view. This one, the small, the rice tree. Very nice view. So this is village area in Bangladesh. See, too much big field there. So nice view. I'll show you this one. This one, the bird, the fly, so nice view. There is a small breeze in the small river. This side on top, this side. This is rainy day. There's rain. This fulfill water in this side. This side also too much water. But after rainy day is finished, this water also coming drying for make this one for a rice tree. How this land make for tree, this rice tree. You know, see this duck is swimming in the village river. Every day there's so many duck is the swimming. So nice view, dear. This view, my mind also fresh. I like that. See, I'll show you the ducks swimming in the small river. I think yeah, it's a great one, the place of the village area. I like it too much. Like it, village area. See this goat. It's a goat. So many goats coming in your field. Is they going to field morning and eating after going to back home. This is goat. Yeah, it's alone coming back the home. Morning also going alone. Not like this. No, Baba. This is crying. He have to go the home. Go to home. Go home. This one is a world goat. Yes, oldest. And this one medium age. So nice. Where are you going? We are just stop it this small breeze and view this one. So nice view. Also two sun. The only one water down and one up. Sky. One bird is flying. So many birds flying you know the village area, so funny, so interesting. Achha. Please like me, follow me, and uh, impress me. I will give you more the village area nice view for you giving all keep it good for you. Allah is good for all us. my friend. Love you all. Bye.